What's up, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be on how you can fix your personal credit. There's a lot of videos that are on YouTube, a lot of information, but I watched those videos and this is kind of how I took all of that information, condensed it into one process, and I've actually went through these steps myself. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first thing you need to do. Just as a quick disclaimer, I am not a licensed credit repair specialist or any of that. This is just what I did in my personal credit repair journey, so I am sharing it with you. The first thing you need to do is lock down your information profiles. That would be through SageStream and LexisNexis. I don't know the whole gist of what they do, how they operate, yada yada yada, but you need to lock them down. The reason why you need to lock them down is when you dispute things on your credit report, they go back to SageStream and LexisNexis, and some companies use SageStream and LexisNexis to pull information to kind of gather a feel of your personal credit. So you definitely need to lock those down. One you can lock down, it will lock down immediately. The other one, it takes about 30 days. This is going to be a process. Don't think it's going to be short and sweet. Nothing is short and sweet. So people that say, oh, I have a quick fix, there isn't a quick fix. These things take time. It is a process, and you don't have to pay anybody to fix your credit. The second thing you need to do after you get your LexisNexis and SageStream locked down, and you've got the letter in the mail stating that it's locked down 30 days later, then you want to start disputing incorrect names, incorrect addresses, incorrect workplaces that are on your credit report. You want to do that first. You need to have those removed, and you need to dispute those with each of the 3 credit bureaus, which is going to be TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. You have to do it with each of them. Once you have confirmation that those are removed, then you can go to step 3. Step 3 is going to be disputing any credit or collections that are on your reports. Again, you do have to do these with each of the 3 credit bureaus. It is a timely process, but it's going to help you in the long run. You will get either confirmation, either yay or nay, that those things are removed. So it might seem like that those processes are really easy, but it's just a process. It's a months-long process, so don't think again that it's going to be done like within the month. It takes time. As a bonus, another way to fix your personal credit is to use Self. Now, I use Self. Self is a way that you can open up a secure savings account, and you open that up. You pay a monthly fee, but also that savings account turns into a secure credit card that it basically transfers over your balance. So that is a great way to do it. I did it for like the first one I did for a year, and then now I'm doing another 2-year one because the monthly rate is a little bit lower, and I'm more so just slowly building my credit. Not trying to do anything that is necessarily drastic, as I was trying to do that first year of trying to definitely build it up. The links will be in my link tree in the description, and if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in for today's video, and as always, be blessed and have a good rest of your day.